Hi everyone, in this video you will learn to crochet this cute lipstick or lip balm holder. Start by making a magic ring. Make a loop like this and pull the longer end of yarn through this loop. Chain 1 now. Chain 2 more to make a total of 3. Now make double crochet stitches in the ring. For making double crochet, yarn over, go into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Make 10 more double crochet stitches in the ring. Chain 3 is also considered as a stitch. Now slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, this one. Go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop on hook. Now cut the extra yarn. Now go into this space where the slip stitch was made, this one. Take the white yarn and make a loop. Chain 3. Carry these strands of yarn by crocheting over these. Now in the next stitch, make 4 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Now slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3 and make 4 double crochet stitches in the same stitch space. Slip stitch into the next space. Make all the petals like this. Don't cut the yarn ends and hide them in the stitches. Chain 3 and make DC in the same stitch where the slip stitch was made. For the lip balm holder, I made the same magic ring again. Make DC into the same stitch where the slip stitch was made. Now chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make double crochet into the next one. Make 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch and make 2 DC in the next 2 stitches. Repeat the same process till the end. Make last DC in the slip stitch of the previous row. Now slip stitch into the first DC that is made next to the chain 3. Chain 3 for the second round. Now make first DC into the same space where the slip stitch was made. Chain 1 again, skip this space and make DC on the top of a DC. Make 2 DC stitches, chain 1 and then again make 2 DC stitches and repeat this process till the end of the round. Now make the last stitch on the top of last stitch of the previous row and not the slip stitch. Start every round with chain 3. Now repeat the same process for the rest of the rounds. Make 3 more rounds. Now chain 20 for attaching it to the bag.